She's a fucking lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's bullshit lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we gotta go.
Hey,
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. But you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG.
August 14th, 2025. Newport, Rhode Island. An upscale restaurant calls police. A woman and her heavily intoxicated friend refuse to leave after being asked to exit. But little they don't know that things are about to get even rough.
Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off.
She's a lawyer. She's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
Yes, we're gonna leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it easy, okay?
We're gonna make it easy.
No, that's not. That's not.
I am.
Okay.
I'm her
That's
husband.
not the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah, we'll talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
We'll talk over here. They want you to leave.
Your protocol is.
Can we talk?
Who is she to you?
What's that?
No,
Who is she to
nothing.
you?
Nothing.
She is our college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
You guys just want to know? Do you want them trespass?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get it out.
Yeah.
Legally, property owners and staff reserve the right to ask guests to leave the premises at any time.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do we want to chat?
I know that your
All
protocol
right.
is.
So you're trespass, so we gotta leave now. Unless you want to be in
We're
handcuffs.
not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're
So
trespassing.
what
Number one.
did
Number
I
two.
just say to you? You're
You're
trespass. Let's go.
Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that
We gotta go. We gotta go.
protocol
Let's
is.
go. Let's
Can we
go.
calm down for 1
protocol
second?
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want.
body
I don't
cam
want to
off.
deal with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No.
I understand you don't want to deal with it,
Okay,
but the
let's go.
protocol
Wait,
is,
wait,
and your
can-
protocol
can
is
you
if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and that's your protocol.
Let's start with the request to turn off the body camera. From a legal standpoint, that demand carries zero weight. Body cameras are government equipment governed by department policy. No civilian, no matter who they are or what they do for a living, has the right to demand an officer turn off their camera at any point of the conversation.
She's a fucking lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's bullshit lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we gotta go.
No, it is. That's the law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please
We're leaving.
don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
No.
Let's go. Come on.
They're two full-grown women and mothers of children. All right. Hey.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG.
AG stands for Attorney General, the chief legal officer who represents the state and prosecutes crimes. In her role as a special assistant attorney general in the Criminal Division's appellate unit, she was a government lawyer working directly for the state.
AG.
You're not leaving.
I'm an AG.
Let's go. Buddy, you're not. She's not being arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay,
arrested.
do you have any weapons on you?
No. I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want me to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arresting.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG. Take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take your
license.
fucking hands off
Okay,
me.
we will get the
All right,
license.
she's getting detained.
No.
No.
Get
Get the
out of
license.
here. Get out of here. Get back. Get back right now. Get
You're
back.
detained.
No, I freaking. No.
Get back. You got cuffs.
Yep.
I'm right here. It's okay.
All right, just go from the
right
car.
here. No. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get back.
Come on, Dave.
No.
Stop touching me.
All right.
Dave, I'm right here.
No,
right here.
babe, please, I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Please, up to this. Please,
I'm
up
right
to
here.
No, I'm not gonna find hands on that.
I'm right here.
No.
Okay.
No, please, I'll do this, my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no, babe. Babe.
I'm right here.
Babe.
I'm right here.
No, babe.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding
You're
charges.
overreacting.
No. Please take my hands up. Please take them out of handcuffs. No, please take them.
You were overreacting. You didn't have this. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No,
Get in the
no,
car.
no! Babe, no!
I got
Right
you to
here.
say.
I'm right here.
Get in the
No!
car.
Guys.
Just put her in.
No!
Get back. Get back, bro.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Get your feet in the car.
I'm right here. Relax. I'm right here.
Get your feet in the car.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Dan!
Babe, I'm right here.
No! Babe! Babe! No!
Get your feet in the car.
Who the fuck are...
Get
Don't
your
touch
feet
me!
in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Dan!
Babe, I'm right here. I'm right here.
No! Who the fuck are you? This is so
You're
inappropriate! You're overreacting! Dan!
Let's talk about the outcome of this case. Flanagan was charged with misdemeanor willful trespass and pleaded no contest because, as it turns out, working for the Attorney General doesn't get you out of a trespassing charge. She received 6 months of probation and a filing, meaning the charge can be expunged if she stays out of trouble. State Attorney General Peter Noreen publicly condemned her actions, apologized to the arresting officers, and hit Flanagan with a 6-month unpaid suspension. It's safe to say that 5-minute, childish squabble was absolutely not worth it. But you know what is worth it? Subscribing and following this channel? I'll catch you next time with another exclusive breakdown. Take care.